There's one thing that you will see about me. Me not afraid of nobody.
Bust up me neighbor here windscreen with the off my face. Stinking girl from a chip.
What man this attempt for those rolling blood and I lick up all in I
can see clearly now the rain is
drop.
You're the love of my life. See? I'm gonna be the one claim that before I want to say them want to say.
Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. We have a fantastic show ahead right for Uno right now. We have a lot of things we're going to talk about, especially the Candy versus Rosalie and everything in between. But sit back, relax, and let's get into today's show.
The saucy of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama when you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something me, yo, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Beenie Man toast Camille. Our breeders know so. The king of the dancehall, Beenie Man, recently was at a dinner when he made this toast to his Bonononos Camille. Take a look.
Camille.
Fresh drop.
You're the love of my life. See? I'm gonna be the one claim that before I want to say them want to say and you want to say them want to say.
oh baby, I the time of my life.
See? I love you for over 20 years. See? So I just want you to know this. You see the love you have for me is different. I've never felt love like yours before. Amen. I've never been with a woman like you before. Amen. I've never seen nobody like you before. Because you don't only care about me, you care about my career. You care about everything that happened. You care about every artist that hate me, you don't like them to drive them. Amen. Yeah, anybody that like them, I like them. So that means that me and you get on the same path.
Because when you meet Camille, the love of your life for over 20 odd years, when you did in a marriage and have picked me with the angel, Beenie Man, you are something else, you know. You are something else. All I know is that, you know, Beenie Man, I come like, you know, with the King of England, over there we did have a female woman with a Camille woman, the name, a Camille she name too? Yeah, man, I think of the same name, you know, whom did I give her born with Princess Diana. They long time mix up the man. But Beenie Man, if she is the love of your life, we get it. You don't have to say it anymore, but we get it. Number 9, passing grades. Me gon' go, our readers know this is what you call an excellent teacher. Imagine being a teacher and none of you picking them now fail. Take a look.
You home economics, the one and only teacher, the male teacher in the department who will collect awards. Listen to me this now. 100% pass for Foods and Nutrition Unit 1. 100% pass for Foods and Nutrition Unit 2 and 100% pass for CSEC Foods and Nutrition. And I invite none other than Mr. Sanjay Stevenson to collect those awards.
Boy, oh boy, and I know the teacher there, he's supposed to just step on cloud 9 right now. Like, he must get an extra Christmas bonus. Something nice supposed to in a film payment, film salary, for getting a feat like this. And all me forgot to say now, big up to all of the students then, because I'm sure it would have been such a catastrophe if one of them did end up a fail. Like, can you imagine if one of them pitting they just spoil the record? They just fail. So the fact that all of them was, you know, a part of it to make this moment happen, I forgot big up them as well. Number 8, Buju Banton takes aim at the PM. Our readers know, so Buju Banton at a recent concert was on stage and then he said this about the Prime Minister. Take a look.
Heart in Zion, all the way. My kingdom come on earth, thine will be. Hallelujah. I want to carry this on the road for me. And don't take the time from nobody. Just have one of them good sister. So the Prime Minister of Jamaica said, in some video, with people that do all kind of things with Jamaican people. But I'm an American and I don't see the Prime Minister giving out one blood clot. I see busy signal. I see Shaggy. I see Sean Paul. I see Usain Bolt. So driver, I want your cans go around the road for me. I find poor people. And when you find them, make sure them get to Buju Banton and make sure they're posting their teeth nothing. Lord of mercy. Are you ready? Everybody worry and put up your hand. Mr. Rise and to us, driver. Close up. Drop his teeth. Hold on, the copper shot. You're about the blood club. I use copper shot to do this. Silent Addy, you're the new champion and we rate you. You're going to do big things and big things and rate you. So copper shot have been set in the foundation and laying it for years. Without fears. Lord mercy. I'm Spanglass, easy. I'm Showman, easy. I two gang in a Jamaica. I have an external phone and a singular chip. Any problem you can reach me on this. I'm housing my mind when I touch on a ship. Green like grass, brown like chocolate. Felix and UPS, I make step from chip. And I'm in like heavy, and the brand money you can drink and beer. Don't want a split. When I hear me say, murderer. Kill like today, you cannot kill like tomorrow. You inside Mosiago, rise up to us, alright then. This one is called oversize.
If it's one thing Buju Banton is going to do, it's going to be speaking his mind. And you know, me I forgot respect it, you know, like Buju Banton, like who still don't know if I lie, did I tell or true, did I tell with the whole customs thing and so the people them T40 stuff them. But that is not stopping Buju Banton. All about now, I'm just hoping that Buju just kind of be careful of how him comment, because more for just know say him just represent Jamaica and it is not anything that is like politically motivated, because you know everything where people say nowadays, people are looking kind of side eye. So Buju, if you're just being a freedom fighter and defend the people them, do what you do, but you're just kind of careful how you meddle in politics, especially in a season like this. Number 7, artists versus TikTokers. Our breeders know some. I forgot. I'm gonna pick up this charity football. Yes, man. Charity football match. That is it, Barry. Charity, clarity, charity. Yeah, man, Burrito. So right now, we have to go and big up the charity football match, you know, between the TikTokers and the Jamaican artists. Them. No, you know, so this was a Ramesh Entertainment production, you know, in association with Swissly and him, you know, bring forward all of the TikTok popular people, them such as Jaden. You had like Zuma. You have TikTok Boss, several others who were on stage, you know, just represented for the TikTokers them. And then you have the artists them up there, such as Silk Boss, you have Swizz, you had Wade Marshall, you had Joshi. So many of them were there, you know, just showing off their talents. And in the end, you know, the TikTokers won it, did all God's penalty shootout, and some of us go and big them up.
Look over there right now. But I'm like, one more now. Chicken ball down. How
One silk boss.
for doing something that was so well needed in a space, especially coming after the big showdown between Rosalie and Candy, that did kind of just make the app feel very tense. It's nice that this kind of just come right after for kind of act as a palate cleanse. So big up Swisley, big up Ramesh, big up the TikTokers them, big up the artists them for creating this moment. Number 6, what's up karaoke? Be tell you, Berrydos there is a karaoke singer in a Jamaica where she shell. When me a talk say talent, you know, when me a talk about her voice, like I don't know, normal, you know, like when you go karaoke, I have the little people that may go up there and just go sing one little song. No man, that is not she. She sing like say is fair concert. When she step on the stage, money pull up, money a dash way, is all of them type of settings there when Jody Blacks makes her way to the stage. Just love the song. I love the song because it's our trend on TikTok right now. Because I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I get a deep I was just hoping that, you know, somebody did here do the Nicki Minaj part because it really just take the performance to another level. But Berrydos, let me know what you make of her voice.
Now here's this week's random video of the week.
Number 5, bobsled gold. Berrydos like, I do not know. But let me tell you this, I did not have in my bingo card that Jamaica would get a gold medal for bobsled in a 2025. It was never something that I saw coming, but I am definitely here for it.
Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme, get on up, it's bobsled time. Guys, have you seen that Jamaica's bobsled team made history for the country because they won their first ever gold medal at the North American Cup? And this has just made me so happy. I need all of you guys to know about this. The fact that one of the guys in the group is called Junior, this is amazing. This is amazing news to me.
Yeah, man, and so I feel just big up the bobsled team, and I just really feel good because coming after Hurricane Melissa and, you know, the Miss Jamaica universe who fell and the defeat we suffered at the National Stadium to Curacao, it's just nice to have a national moment of pride where we can just remember, say, yo, Jamaica, what we do is germinate, and what is better than germinating in a space that you don't even know to be excellent at. And when I talk about the Cool Runnings movie. Number 4, Prime Minister says war. Alright, so Andrew Holness in a recent speech said this very cross, angry and miserable type of message, and I'm actually here for it. Take a look.
And it is one thing that you will see about me. Me not afraid of nobody. All who want talk, make meme, go on. Me will go with you toe to toe. Every nonsense you talk, I will respond to it. And as you would have seen with the government, man come out with foolishness, we respond, not go so. Yeah. So make them, and as many memes as they can make, I can make it too. So it's going to be war. Because we cannot allow the people who peddle nonsense, the people who tell lies, we cannot allow them to win. So we will have it out. As I have said, it is not just managing the disaster. It is managing the false information. And we have to go to war with that. Too much false information, distracting the people, when we need to have a positive mindset for recovery. So I urge everyone here today, let us have a positive mindset for recovery. For all the people who are vested in creating lies and rumors, I urge you to think as well about your country and what you're doing. There's nothing wrong with being critical, but there is everything wrong in being untruthful. Everything wrong in being untruthful.
Oh wow, this reminds me of when something that did say she not afraid of no boy, no girl, nowhere. Honorable Portia Simpson, me the former Prime Minister. No, me no mind the Prime Minister is having a little bit of badness, not having a little edge, because for deal with Jamaican citizens, I can't look a regular type of demure talking. You have to kind of step to them with a little bit of so them can listen. And I do agree that there's a lot of misinformation that is dominating social media, especially on TikTok. Like, it's whole heap of just chaos, and I'm of the view that you're just political operatives that are spewing a lot of the chaos online from both parties, from the JLP and the PNP, for kind of confuse the public. And me don't really like it. Like, me just wish say people just talk and them just say what them and say, but fear, confuse and a lie and I put wrong information, this, and me just can't bother with it. And so, if that's what the Prime Minister is going to address, like, go ahead. I'll never say just careful of your language, because the people them already say you might have moved like a dictator. So once you start fear say use words like war, and that you can kind of provide them ammunition. So just lower the temperature with that, because how things like that stay already. So Burritos, let me know, are you okay with what the Prime Minister said? You got exactly what he was trying to communicate, or are you worried, or you never in favor of what he said? Sound off in the comments. Saga, Burritos, me know me not forget to do, because me know uno's not cheaters. Uno don't cheat. All uno do, I sit down in the yard, watch the little countdown with the friends, on the family and the husband and the wife and grandma, everybody and uncle and niece. That's all uno do. Mind no business, go to bed and pray. So me know uno can relate to them story here. Take a watch.
My husband carry inside chick in the house for help her. I mean, he come catch him and do what him do. I mean, he fight it out and everything, and he ask me to forgive him. He tell me yes, but deep down in my heart, me to forgive him. And I decide to me I take revenge. One morning, him get up and beat figure work, and me figure beat no figure work. I take time go outside and bust the pipe, and water start flood out in the yard, no water in the house. I tell him say the pipe bust. Him tell me to call the regular plumber, which me dial the wrong number, and me advise me, and I tell him say me not get him. So tell him say me know an ex-plumber can call me to find it, which I lie. I'm a plumber for a long time when I look me, but so me not give bun. Me tell him say no, me not give me husband a bun, but me keep him as a social friend. So I him call in the morning and tell him to come fix the pipe. My husband drive out and left him to fix the pipe. I wait till him done fix the pipe. I bring him back right in the bedroom. I tell her, say, have me upon a piece of backers. I'm upon plumb me, baby, plumb me. Plumb me like how you plumb the pipe. Plumb me, baby. I say, yes, baby, me a plumb me. Your husband never plumb me so sweetest. Your husband never plumb me so sweetest. I say, plumb me, baby, plumb me. Give it to me, plumb me. And my husband that come in and grab the man in the neck back. And when he grab the man in the neck back, when he look on the man tool, he said, Jesus, God. Had this a tool before I have a plumb my wife. Yeah, mash up my property. I will not have this a tool, yeah. I will left me for the John, and I can't swim. And I say, when the man spin around, and the man thump him, he grab on the man tool, and he jar the man tool, and run in the kitchen, so I cut off the man tool, and the man have holy hand in his neck, and he hold up on the man tool. And when I see what I go on, I run up on the veranda naked, and I say about help her, come. My husband cut off the plumber tool, because I don't need that, I know what to do. I run outside, I run inside, and when he neighbor them come over, and the neighbor them come in, and the neighbor them hold my husband, and the man run outside with his tool in front of him, just a flash tool side, gone down the road. I mean, the neighbor them said to me, say, what kind of disgrace is, where you can't man, the man also. I said to the neighbor, say, I same thing in do me, and tell me, say, I can't help her, and he can't yell in my bedroom, I ain't come and catch him. Them I tell me about me never in that evil. And what you give, and what you get.
Yeah, man, that's kind of wild. That is very wild. That's very wild. What you mean, say, your man did a grab on the next man, member of parliament? What do you mean? Here, point of information. What do you mean? Jesus, people come like me a Justin Bieber song right now. What do you mean? When you try to say yes, and you tend to say no, what do you... Alright, sorry, I digress. Because sometimes I talk to, my brain just gone off into something else. But yeah, man, so Burritos, let me know. Has anything like this ever happened to, not you, but to your friend? Sound off in the comments. Number 2, Skilly versus Fan. Me not have nothing for saying now, but just watch.
Wait. What did you say?
We want to wine pan you.
Now listen to me. Relax. Stay right there. Let me tell you where to stand. Stand right there on the spotlight where they can see. This is your moment. Now listen to me. When you see me performing, if you're gonna disturb me, to have a special request to whine by me.
You said?
She said it? You better fuck the place up. Now listen, I don't know about dancing with me because I'm in a situation.
Now with that cocaine white on. You ready to risk it all?
I didn't explain the situation, but I just had to tell you. So I'm not sure about dancing with me tonight, but you're gonna definitely dance.
Social distance.
Skillibeng. Skillibeng, when we say him bring the woman on stage, I swear say him did go get the bodyguard and for go carry her backstage and for go do a proper scan for go see if she's actually a cisgendered woman. Because you know all the streets are run certain days and people are look for a social media moment. But Skillibeng, I feel like I did it kind of just want to be careful because you know how social media stay. So you just say, you know what, let me just go implement the social distancing, the 2019 wine. Yeah man, the Bluetooth wine, stay over there so you in your small corner and I in mine. Yeah man, that type of wine they did that one right there. So I don't have no problem with that. Skillibeng, you have to be careful. Yeah man, brr, brr. Yeah, because you can't take a brr, brr. Right now. Jamaica don't suffer too much already. Jesus P. And number one goes to Rosalee versus Candy versus Rebel. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So what a saga, what a story. But because me not even have the time for go into the fullness of it. I'll be able to tell you, Rosalee is a TikToker, Candy is a TikToker. Anyway, so leading up to Rebel's birthday party, Rosalee been tracing Candy and Candy a fire back and the two of them have been at it online. So come Rebel's birthday party now.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
The two of them go back up now. Rosalee a throw word pan Candy out into the parking lot. And Candy a try to ignore her when Candy ready for go drive out now. Rosalee step to her car now and push her hand in there. And that is when Candy wanted to retaliate. People jump in, swoop in, police. Friends, everybody are trying to stop it because Candy did go. You know, did go. And so, you know, Candy go up on social media now, cheer for her side of the story. Rosalee go up on her side of the story. The two of them are kind of throw word upon each other.
Girl, me I show you say enough of fuck with me.
Now bust up me black car windscreen with the off my face. Stinking girl that's some chip.
What man this attempt for those rolling blood and I lick up all in a car door plus and those stab up him man, brother.
Candy can't off my face, now not time.
You're a big coward.
I lick more lick across the face.
In the middle of it now, Swissly and Rebel jump in because Candy felt that the TikTokers them never did do enough to really stand up for her and, you know, support her, and it just looked very sketchy from her point of view. So them did feel a little weird, you know, so them a play a match with Rosalee, you know, where no one ever did look good for Candy, and it just made matters worse. Then the public start for hate pan Rebel because they felt that why are you playing match with the person who started the confrontation, and they try to create mischief after the event. And so Rebel's friends, them pretty Polly and TC, they do a live with her, with them hold her accountable. Rebel eventually have to apologize to Candy, and then now Candy is cool with Rebel, but Rebel is no longer friends with Rosalee. Rosalee don't like that, so now Rosalee of course Rebel and all of our friend them. And that is the saga right now, and I am just over it. Me just tired of the bagger. Rebel, you have your friend them already, stick to your crew. You have your built-in friends them, stick with them. Them know you a long time, stay with them. If anybody forgot bring you down and drama forgot go on, make it be them people there. Rosalee, can wait there. Because me have to say, leave Rosalee where she is, because she's proven time and time again that she just not got team. She will not change for anybody, and she's just going to be authentically herself for the good or the bad. Our mother not gonna get her for change, our boyfriend not gonna get her for change, her community not gonna get her for change, her kids won't get her to change. Rosalee, It's just Rosalie and whatever her mind chooses to tell her at any given moment is a ticking time bomb. So if you experience a good side of Rosalie on Monday, appreciate it, love it, hug it, because you're not promised that on Tuesday. It is only a matter of time. So that's all I have to say. Just make sure she stay herself, because she not gonna change. Let her be. You get me? Just let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Should I seek no words of wisdom? Let her be. That's all you have to do. But I'm tired of everybody and the cuss. Just let her be. Rebel, go find your truth. Stay where you're there. And that is that. All me have to say is that the people them who surround themselves with Rosalie now and still defend her, I just wish you the best. Because me not talk about the people them online where not really know her in her real life. For the ones who actually they're on her now, stick with her. Because you know people already diamond everybody else. People already don't know say at some point you're not gonna fall out. But rough it out as best as you can. All if you feel some little negativity and you see some little shady things, all if you tell you say she wish say one truck rock running down and pitch you over, rough it out. Stay with the friendship. No make nothing stop it. All if she do some little things and turn around sideways, stick with her because you know how the public are wait for you to fall out. So it's for the duty now for rough it out. All if she spitting at your face, you don't move. Don't move because the public, them are going to turn against you and say, did a bad mind from long. You hear me tell that figure it out and Daima and Akeem, make sure you just fight the fight. You in it right now, fight the fight because you cannot prove the public wrong. If she diss mother, take that like a good friend. Because that's what friends do. When you don't hold her accountable, just knock yourself off and tell yourself, say, you know what am I to do? That is just Rosalie. And when we can reach that point, it will just be peace in the TikTok streets. That's all I have to say. Let her be. Let her be. All right, burritos, that is it. And let me know what you make of the entire situation. Well, that's it. We come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure to say you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Make sure to say you follow me on all my social media platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow. And to email me, the address is bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them sort me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.